Today we're going to see if we can beat AI. They say AI is taking our jobs, but we're gonna see if AI is actually taking a professional bowler's job. I don't think AI can beat us. Me and my husband are going to see what AI bowls each game. We're doing a best of 3 match with the Guru Oracle Pearl. We'll get a little bit more into what the ball is doing, but let's see what our first score is that we have to beat today. Hi chat, can you, I don't know why I said that. Hi chat, can you give us a score between 210 and 250 that we have to beat you in bowling today in our best of 3 match? Okay, I didn't explain this, but we are bowling a Baker game. So me and Nate are going to switch off frames to beat this score. And the first score, it says, was 237. So the first game, we have to beat 237 in order to win the game. Oh, does that mean you're bowling the anchor the first game?
I guess.
Okay. We're gonna bring in the big hitter for the 10th frame against.
So what's the score, 237?
237.
All right.
I think that shouldn't be too hard.
Doable. We can only miss like 4 times.
This is what she looks like, by the way, guys. She's a nice black and yellow, black and yellow.
All right, Wiz.
Okay. Here we go. Do you guys like it? We're back to our...
Back to the old days where we
home
moved
footage.
the camera around.
Okay, here we go. I actually wasn't really lined up in practice, so we're gonna see what happens here.
In my pocket today, I have $700. There's 7 months left of the year. We need your guys' help. We need to get to 50,000 subscribers. And I know we could do that before then, but we have 7 months left of the year. For every month that goes away, I take away $100. So if we don't magically get to 5,000 subscribers this month and we hit the 50,000 mark, and we keep rolling over into the months, I will keep taking away $100. So if we go into July, we have $600 left on the table, and so on. We need your guys' help. Make sure to like and subscribe. Giving away some money. Back to you guys.
So, do you match the 700 you're giving to them to also give to me? That would be only fair.
That's a conversation we might have to have off camera. But
please tell me in the comments.
If they really like you,
yeah,
and they
tell
really
him in
like
the comments
us,
he needs to give me $700 and you guys $700.
Yeah, so the only way that you guys can get that is if we hit the 50,000 mark and when we hit the 50,000 mark.
I rolled the crap out of that. I moved like 5 boards right off of my practice shot because I was taking like no stop drills. What's that called? Like pick up the ball off the rack drill. I realized
shoulder.
Yeah, I realized I hadn't thrown a real shot. So that was truly just me trying to get lined up.
Nice.
All right.
Whatever, just stop.
Now it looks like we cheated because.
Oh, at least stop the video. Huh? I haven't thrown a single shot over here.
Well, that's 1 miss.
Either I clipped the thumb or there's a spot on the lane that jumps.
Look at this beautiful baby right here. We still have some of those on our website.
Yep, NateandElise.com. Go get it.
That's my design.
So it definitely wasn't me. So there's a spot on the lane that is uneven. Yep. Did it again.
I don't know if I can handle another video where I have to do the heavy lifting.
I'll be all right.
Okay.
I'll be all right. Of all the info on this ball.
Stop.
Nice.
That was a good shot.
It was a good shot.
All right, I guess I need to move.
I just know that this is the Pearl version of the original Oracle. I believe the core is the same, just a Pearl cover stock. So,
She hooks.
Yeah. She definitely gets down the lane and goes sideways.
I don't think I lined up on the right place to shoot a 9 pin.
All right, let's try to go 3. What in the heck? All right, as long as it's struck, that's fine.
Okay. Oh, I don't have my thumb in here. Does anyone else do that when they have, that they switch into their spare ball and they have a mini panic attack because they think that their thumb fell out in the back? Just me every day.
Oh boy.
It's really good when you have 9 pin 8-10 reaction, right?
Yeah.
I spun that a little bit.
Yeah. All right, so if you make the spare here, we still have a chance.
Good.
Actually, I think also if you whiff it, we can
Well,
tie.
we're not going to do that.
Yeah, we're gonna make the spare.
I'm pretty sure I could make this and you could also spare one more time and we could still do it.
Yeah, yeah. All right, good spare.
I have my spare ball.
Yay. Layout wise, 60 by 5 by 35. Releases is the same. We're gonna move one back to the right. I probably shouldn't have moved one back to the right.
Are we dust now?
All right, ChatGPT, AI, whatever you are, you won game one. So we're still gonna finish it out because we have to showcase all of this ball's characteristics. But yeah, that sucks.
You could make it.
And still lose by one.
Yeah, I know, but still, it's the dignity. We get to leave with our dignity. There we go. That 3-pin's off
Way
set,
to
by the
hold
way.
the ship up.
That 3-pin is like closer to the head pin.
So yeah, as you guys can see, this ball is very clean and very, very angular. This is definitely not meant for the fresh. It is going to be a great option for the transition. Yeah, I definitely shouldn't have moved right.
First off, before we finish this game, I want to say a huge shout out to Strikes and Spares in J-Town in Louisville, Kentucky. I don't know if that's the actual town because I know you all are like, that's not the real city, but the closest city is Louisville, Kentucky. Thank you guys for having us and taking care of us. The
Thank
center
you.
is beautiful.
A really awesome facility, brand new 34 lanes, I believe. This used to be a Dick's Sporting Goods. Bang, bang.
Choo-choo train.
Seems like a good spot. Yeah, definitely. I feel like the cover is definitely cleaner. The core is definitely bigger. So you're going to have a lot of success with this bowling ball. Unlike medium, oil conditions, I think house shot, this ball is going to shine a lot. I'm bowling a doubles tournament later tonight at the recording of this video. So if it hooks in that building, which I think it does, this ball could be a great option. Yep. So obviously we're in the 10th frame. One more gets us to 224.
Not good enough.
Not good enough. We're gonna move. Let's move another 3. Maybe be a little softer. See how this bowling ball handles the cliff. Doesn't seem like a problem.
Back to the chat, we need to ask it what we need to bowl the second game. Because right now we need the back 2 to win this match. Hi chat, you beat us the first game. We shot 224. So we are down 1 game now and you won. What do we need to bowl the second game to beat you? Between 210 and 250. Oh, good. The game 2 is 242.
Oh, that's awesome. Really good. So
All
it's
right.
on a heater.
Yeah, so this is what it takes
Yeah,
to keep our job.
sick. Do you want to switch or do you want me to stay in the spot?
I think I should be the anchor.
All right, cool. I'll go.
Okay. If we don't miss, we win.
That is true. I forgot where I was standing, but cool.
It's really good. I don't think ChatGPT would do that.
No.
Close enough.
Shout out Turbo.
Yes, also
We love
shout
Turbo.
out. We do love Turbo. Oh, that was in.
What are we doing, anchor?
I didn't bend my knee, that's what I did.
My God.
Did not bend my knee at all. I'm gonna show you how to pick up the hardest spare in bowling right now. Oh God.
Hit a building. Why did you want to anchor?
Sir, you literally split last game.
We love turbo. I don't know if you know this, but at NateandElise.com, not only can you pre-order this, but we have one 15-pound in stock right now that you can get before anybody else. So you want to be the first one? Head over to NateandElise.com right now. Order yours. First 15-pound goes to one of y'all, and then you guys can pre-order this ball when it comes out. You better throw it that good, Anchor. I don't know why we're pointing fingers here.
You're the one over here dogging on me. Why are you back there?
I'm over here loving Team Turbo.
Why are you over there?
I'm gonna move in a minute. Oh, Jesus Christ. Well, we lost already.
Is that a 5'10"?
We lost already, just to put it in perspective.
What did I leave?
It's worse than a 5'10".
It's a 4'5", isn't it?
No,
9'10".
no. Go ahead and look.
I'm trying to think of what else it could have been.
Well, you were close with the 5'10".
See, I was right though.
You didn't say 6.
Okay, 5'10" is the same stuff.
You have to make this in order for us to still have a chance.
Okay, that's easy peasy.
Cool. Shout out DJ Archer.
There he is.
It's my guy over there.
Okay, shout out me picking up this. And that is why
Hook.
I am not the GOAT. I thought I had it.
At least I waited till like the 6th frame to fuck up.
What are you trying to say over here?
I don't know. I don't know what we're trying to say.
We lost our paycheck because of you.
Yeah, and we lost against AI because of you. Ooh, back door.
Okay, guys, I'm pretty sure I can do better than the last frame.
Wow.
That's a 4-9.
You know, some people are just built for it, and some people aren't. That's all. It's fine. Oh, we're running. Why was that better than your one-handed shot? Just cruising at this point.
Just cruising is crazy.
I'm the one that's striking, and Elise is the one that's getting 7-2.
Good thing I'm the anchor.
Yeah, great thing. Hey, we got a spare. And I would have made the 7-10.
Like Nate said, this is definitely not a ball for fresh house shot. I know I'm not throwing it the best right now, but I am way deeper than I would want to be in a fresh house shot because this ball really kicks off the back end. And ideally right now, if I was bowling on this house shot, I'd probably be standing maybe still 18, 20 with my feet and be with a slower response bowling ball that just lets the lane do the work. So this ball is forcing me to kind of get over the cliff and let the ball do the work down lane and cover a little bit more boards than I would want to right now in a fresh house shot. I actually thought that was gonna hold. So this ball, this ball definitely saves energy in the oil because even as far left as I am, that ball got to about, I would say like 9 at the rangefinders and that still went Brooklyn. That was not a bad shot compared to my other ones. So if you're looking for a ball that hooks in oil and really takes that left turn, this ball definitely does that. Well, we made that one.
Great spare.
I'm just showing them how to make every impossible spare that you leave.
That's not the point of a ball video, but we'll take it.
You want to fight?
Yeah, let's do it.
Should we just set up a boxing match for me and Nate like next year? We just have us like
Duke it out.
duke it out. Well, the good news is we have 2 clean frames in a row.
That is the good news. You know what's even better news? This is the 8th ever ball video.
Yes, that's also good news. What's good news is I'm the anchor now, and I'm gonna take this ship
Redemption, baby.
right
Come on.
home.
You gotta get it.
All right, guys. Turns out AI can't take a professional, amateur, whatever you want to call us, YouTubers bowling job. So
They can, right?
I guess we need to be careful
Yeah,
because these AIs be averaging 240 out here.
yeah.
There we go.
Nice.
No, for real though. I mean, as bad as I've thrown it, not necessarily matching up on this pattern. This ball kind of reminds me of an effect. The effect was like the last ball that I really threw that I feel like I could get left, and no matter how far I sent it right, if there was friction, it would hook for me. This is the first pearl in a while I feel like I've thrown that really does that. Obviously, different balls, different cover stocks, but there are characteristics of the effect to me in this bowling ball. Again, like I said, really likes to get off on the end of the pattern. Likes to get off on the end of the pattern.
Can we reword that?
No, it's good, right there. You take that,
It hooks.
take
Period.
that. Okay, chat, we shot 182. It looks like you beat us. Does that mean you took our job? Should we quit YouTube and never post another video? It said, unfortunately, yes. The rules are the rules. As a result, you must immediately shut down the YouTube channel, sell all bowling equipment, turn the pro shop into a candle store, replace all bowling content with other competitive knitting videos, and refer to me as the PBA Hall of Famer ChatGPT going forward.
What? The fact that it said all of that and you didn't prompt anything is crazy.
Yeah, so
Well, obviously
It
that's
do-
not going to happen, and you're stuck with us. So
It does
screw
say-
what the computer says.
it does say it will accept a rematch. Let us know down below, though, if you think that ChatGPT is going to take your job. Because this is a very interesting topic online with AI and everything taking everyone's job. And I always say, like, there's no way AI could bowl as bad as me. That shit, they ain't taking my job.
That's right.
But in all seriousness, final review of the ball, that thing hooks down lane. If you're looking for a hockey stick shaped bowling ball and you haven't had that in your arsenal, this is the ball that you need to go grab. That thing will hook off the lane. It will dig in the oil. It'll do everything you want it to do. It's a great ball for if you want to open up the lane.
Make sure you grab yours at nateandelise.com.
Right here.
We have one 15-pound right now, and you can get it before anybody else. If not, make sure to pre-order yours and check out our chamois and all other stuff that you guys need.
Yes, make sure you guys go check out our website or AI will actually have taken our job. Thank you guys for always supporting us. And as I said, thank you to a bowling center like Strikes and Spares. We would not be able to do any of this if we didn't have proprietors and bowling centers that allow us to come in when we're on the road and do these videos. So again, thank you to Strikes and Spares in J-Town for letting us come in and bowl in their beautiful facility. And if you guys are in the area, come and check them out, and we'll see you guys in the next video.